Hi, my name is Feby. The given topic for me is differentiate the three types of managers. They are top-level managers, middle-level managers, lower-level managers. First, the top-level managers focus on long-term organizational concerns, emphasize the organization's stability, development, progress, overall efficiency, and effectiveness. Function, establish high-performance standards, create corporate purpose and ambition. While the middle managers are the tactical managers in charge of the organizations or departments, formulate specific objectives and activities, more aware of the company's problems. Function, develop individuals and support their activities, manage the tension between short-term purpose and long-term goals. Lastly, the lower-level managers are responsible for supervising the organization day-to-day activities, the bridges between management and non-management employees. Function, create and pursue new growth opportunities for the business, attract and develop resources.